In this video, I'll show you how to view email password in Outlook. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, you generally cannot view your actual email password directly within the main Outlook interface. Now, this is for security reason, and Microsoft does not store your password in a viewable format. However, if your password was saved on your computer, you may be able to find it in operating systems or browser password manager. So to find our password, our Outlook password, if we are sure that it's been saved on the web browser, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the far right where we see these three dots. We're going to click on it and we're going to click on passwords and autofill. Now we have a new dialog box. We're going to click on Google Password Manager. Now in the Google Password Manager at the top bar here, all you got to do is you got to search for live, because Microsoft own both Outlook and Live domains. So once you look for Live, you click on it, you see the Outlook icon. It's asking me to authenticate. Now you can see once it's opened, it has my password and email information. Now here I can choose to view the password or click here to copy the password and I can paste it somewhere else. Now that's how you view email password in Outlook. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.